Let's see how to download and properly install Google Chrome on your MacBook Neo if you are switching from Safari or just want a more versatile browser. First, open Safari and search for Google Chrome. Click the official Google Chrome link to ensure a safe download. Once on the page, click Download Chrome for Mac button. If a pop-up appears, click Allow to start the download. When the download finishes, locate the .dmg file in your Download section and double-click on it. A window will pop up. Simply drag the Google Chrome icon into the Applications folder icon. It will take a few seconds to copy the files over. After it finishes the installation process, launch Chrome browser. macOS might ask for permissions. Just click Open. You can now sign into your Google account to sync your bookmarks and history if you want. That's it. You're ready to browse. Thanks for your time.